So your by keys, we need to select the suggestions. How can you select by keys? So let me show you that. How can we do that? See, open this 2plugs.com. Go to 2plugs.com. See the steps I have given there in this program. Then click on live posting. See, click on live posting here. Then next step is type Toronto in the search box. So type Toronto, select Toronto OH USA. So this is the value you need to select from suggestions. So this is the search box. You can type it. And you can see these are the ones. So first option is ON Canada. Second option is OH USA. This is the one I want to select. So this, how you can get same way you can the program Google Suggestions, how we did same logic I'm using here also, do while loop and the keys, send keys dot down keys dot enter, you are going to use the same logic. There is no difference at all. So that's what I'm using at the test. So driver dot get, open that and verify the page title and click on live posting and then search edit box, this search edit box. So this is the search edit box. You can just get that. See, you have, should be in tag, right? So input tag, because this edit box ID autocomplete. So that's a edit box. So we identified that edit box. First I'm clearing the content with a clear method. Then I'm typing the Toronto keyword. So then string suggestion. Once you type, you will get the suggestion. Then same logic I applied the Google suggestion one. So do block, do search edit box dot send keys dot arrow down. First once you get the suggestions, you press the arrow down key. How you can press the arrow down key? With a send keys method. Keys dot arrow down. Then you get the value. What if you press the arrow down key, the cursor will go to that option. That option will show in the search edit box. From search edit box, you get the value of that. That will store in the value attribute in the HTML. So how can you get the attribute value? Using get attribute. So get that and store in this suggestion variable. Then if suggestion dot equals Toronto OH USA, then search edit box dot send keys dot enter, then break it. So until while suggestion is not empty. Same logic I used in the Google suggestion also. There is no new logic, right? So that's what. So let me take this. So this is another for more practice. Okay, so if you do more practice, you will get that. That's why I'm taking more than one programs for you guys so that it will be easy. And what are the exercises I'm going practice them also. Now, so I'm going to, you need a setup if you want to run parallelly. This setup is mandatory because you're giving a browser, which browser you want to run this class, and then Google Sessions class, and then depends on method class. These three classes I am running parallel. These three classes I am running. You can run a number of classes, no problem. But these three classes I am running parallel. So for this, I need to create an XML file. So how to run parallel execution, that I'm going to show now. So one, what is the next class? Suggestion test. The next class, select a suggestion by keys. These three classes I'm going to use to run parallelly. Select these three classes. I'm going to create a testNG.xml for these three classes. testNG, convert to testNG. So I'm giving parallel classes classes suit. Same name I'll give. Parallel test. Parallel classes test. So then you have to select parallel mode classes. Then browse. So here in this, this is our project. Under that project, src test resources folder, I'm keeping my suite file. The suite file name I'm giving parallel classes testNG.xml file. See, can you see here suite tag parallel equal to classes? You select the parallel equal to classes. So this is the main attribute you're going to use to run parallel execution in testNG. How can you run classes parallel? If anybody asks you, you need to tell there is an option parallel attribute equal to classes in the XML file. We need to declare. Then mention all the classes, which classes you want to run parallelly, and which browser. Browser we are going to specify now. So after creation, you can create. So I'm going to create a which browser, this parameter we are going to give, right? All the classes having the parameter, browser parameter. The parameter value I'm going to give. That parameter value, which browser you are giving, in that browser, 3 classes will run. So for each class, 1 browser instance will open. Same browser instances, 3 browser instances will open. If you give 5 browser instances will open, each browser 1 class will run. So not one after the other, all will run parallel. So that obviously the time will reduce or not, execution time. That's how you can reduce the execution time. This is the main factor in any companies they will face. One of the challenging tasks is the execution time going to increase. Then your test case will time out and failure which will happen. So that's why as a challenging task, you can tell in the interviews also, I reduced the complete suite execution time by running them parallelly. This is the answer I can give. I did analysis and a lot of research on how to know which classes we can run parallelly, and you have to do a lot of analysis. The independent classes you can run parallelly. There is a dependency you cannot run parallelly. So that's the analysis you have to do and understand the entire functionality, then you can do that. Otherwise, it's not possible. So let's go and do that. First, I need to give this parameters. This I will take this parameters. I'll give this parameter tags because all these 3 parameters I need. Because one of the classes depends on method needs the parameters. So the browser I'm giving Chrome browser. That means Chrome browser, 3 Chrome browsers will open. The thread count also 5 we are given maximum, but we are given here only 3 classes. You set up more than another 2 classes also to run 5 Chrome instances will open. Each class will run 1 Chrome instance, another Chrome instance, a second class, third class will run 3rd Chrome instance. Like that, 3 Chrome browsers will open for 3 classes. So all will run parallelly. That's a parallel execution, which is the main parameter here, main attribute, parallel equal to classes is the main important factor. Without this, it won't run. So you have to suit to tag inside, you have to take a parallel attribute equal to classes. Then it will run parallel execution. So now you can mention this parallel classes testNG in the form.xml. So the suite file I'll mention here. So I'll comment out this one. So I'll give this class name. What is that class? The XML file parallel classes 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 testNG. So I'm running only this suite file. I'm running. So now see parallelly 3 Chrome browsers will launch. First you Maven clean you need to do because you made a lot of changes. You have to do that. We are given a browser parameter. We are given a username password because one of the test method, one of the class needs a username password values because you use the parameters annotation to supply that. Yesterday we did that. The same class I'm using to run parallel execution now. Maven install. This is a parallel execution of your classes. Three Chrome browser instances will open now. See, Chrome driver was started successfully. Chrome browser. See, all three. So 3 Chrome browsers. You can see. You can watch here. Each class in one browser will run. You can observe. Google. So opened here. Here it is. LinkedIn is opened. It is opening LinkedIn for you. 2 plugins here. Another one Google. This one is LinkedIn. So each one class is running. So this is how you can run parallel execution. See. So this is the Google sessions are opening. See, can you observe in the bottom side? Google sessions is going on. And you can see here the 2 plugins is going on. Done. 2 plugins is done. That is completed. And Google sessions also are going to complete soon. That's a quick, right? It doesn't take much time. So login, LinkedIn also going to complete. So it is login is successful. Once login is successful, and you have logout is going to run now. Done. Thing Selenium downloads is not present here. That's why it is failing. Sulfide shampoo. Selenium WebDriver. Next one. Selenium deficiency. Selenium downloads is missing. Okay. Generally, we should get that. Selenium benefits. It is again repeating. Not sure why it is missing. Selenium downloads is not there. Generally, it should be there. Okay. General Selenium WebDriver. Otherwise, whatever the keyword is present, we have to give that keyword to select that. So it is repeating, but so there is a logic we need to change because it is keep going. It's not ending. And I think it's never going to end. going infinite. So you have to give the keyword, wrong keyword we have given. So let's see, or we'll give only Selenium otherwise. So let's run only failed test case otherwise, and also even depends on method also failing here because we have given home page something wrong. Okay, this one. That's why it is also title we have given wrong. That's why it was failing. That also I'll make correct now. Now I'll run from the beginning. So Maven clean. Let's clean everything. The reports. So Maven clean, when you run, it will clean up everything. The target folder will clean up. Nothing will be there. Old report will be cleaned. So then run as Maven install. So all 3 Chrome browsers will launch. It's done. You can see entire reports. You can go here, refresh your project. So refresh, and you can see target. So then you have a surefire reports. So emailable reports, right? You can go to emailable reports, properties. See all the 5 test cases are passed. Each test case status you can find out. Goal sessions. So select sessions, auto sessions. Right? That's the one test case. Parallel execution how to do.